Today, I'll walk you through how to add checkboxes in Glide, a super simple way to let your users mark items as complete or select options. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Glide. Once you're on the Glide website, click the Login button to access your account. After logging in, you'll want to open the specific app you're working on that you want to edit. Now, look at the left sidebar. Navigate to the screen where you want users to be able to check or uncheck items. On the chosen screen, click the Add Component button to bring up the component library. Scroll down through the available options until you find and select the Checkbox component. Once you select it, the checkbox component will be added to your screen. On the right-hand side, you'll see the configuration options for this new component. Under the Data section, choose the column in your data where you want the checkbox value, essentially true or false, to be stored. For style, you can enter a label for your checkbox. This label is what your users will see, so customize it to clearly match your workflow, like task completed or option selected. You can also enter a description if you need to provide more context. It's a good idea to preview your checkbox component right away. Click on the checkbox you just added to test it out. Make sure the checkbox is easy for your users to find and interact with on the screen. Double-check all the content and settings to ensure everything looks and functions as you intend. Make any adjustments if needed. Finally, when you're happy with how your checkbox looks and works, click the Publish button in the top right corner to make your changes live. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.